Alright guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to install my Vtec solenoid gaskets. So that's for the upper gasket and that's the lower gasket. I mean the one goes in the block. There. So here's a part number. So this is right. That one goes here, and that one goes just like there. So I'm going to take these 3 bolts off and then put this back on. I'm going to use new bolts for this as well. I think I've got 20, I think they're 20 mil. Yeah, it looks about just 20 mil. Okay, once you learn that, that should just come off, just like that. And then get your gasket. People call it O-ring, but I'll call it gasket. So it just goes just like that. And then I want to put it straight back in. Let me get new bolts first and then do it. Should just, this one is tiny bit longer, as you can see there. I might just use the old ones, and they'll look a bit cleaner. I should try on if they fit good. Yeah, the new ones fits good, I reckon. I'll just put new ones in. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna torque it to 7.2 foot-pounds once in the block. So I'm just gonna put this gasket on. So it goes just like that. The filter goes inside. Make sure it's in the grooves pretty good, otherwise you pinch your gasket when you're putting in the block. Okay, just like that. So this is your 3 bolts for the goes on the block. So come over here now, and I might just get a new bolts for these as well. If I got extra. If I don't, let's put the. Yep, I've got them. So come over here now. So put you guys here first. too short. Alright, never mind the new bolts, guys. They're too short. I thought they 20mm ones, but they're not. Okay, so put your first bolt in. I got the camera in my other hand. I don't have a tripod, sorry guys. So I put that in. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna polish this once I put them in. So get your drill. Just tighten up a bit. Yeah, these new bolts look heaps cleaner, heaps better. I'm gonna polish these too, not polish it, you know. I usually use this wire brush for the drill. I usually use this, put the bolt in my small vise, and then yeah, just polish over that one. That works pretty good. What did I do? Oh yeah, those bolts I've done. See, looks brand new. I haven't done these ones. These are all for the water pump. There's all the new bolts. So yeah, that's how you change your gasket, I guess. Let me go ahead and torque this down to 7.2 foot-pounds, and that's pretty much it. Here's my old ones. They pretty beat up. They're so hard as well. Like, they're not good. It was leaking. Oh, that snapped as well. It was leaking from there as well, like badly. Alright guys, thanks very much. The reason I'm making this video is just like, you know, just a little update for my engine. Yeah, as you can see in the last video, I put the skunk toe intake manifold. In the previous videos, I painted my valve covers, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I still gotta get freaking turbo manifold for this. These for my D16 Spit Factory 9-notch Vitara piston rods. Here's my engine. Still gotta go. I'm gonna still install them, but I don't have time for that. Today I paint my old man's canopy. There's my S3000 down there. Usually sits here, but I took him out there so I can paint this because it's raining today. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching, and stay tuned for another video, and hopefully next video will be my intake. I'll put in my intake manifold, not intake manifold, turbo manifold, and feeding my oil turbo feeding oil feed lines, and I'm gonna start working on that EG down there. I paint the whole interior to black, satin black, people call it. So I haven't put the door cards yet. But once they're in, they'll look pretty good. My steering wheel came with the car. I gotta get new seats for these. I gotta install my rear seats. And yeah, that's a whole black interior. Looks mint. Gotta get new AC controller, AC and a heater controller, because I broke mine. Oh, I didn't broke mine. I just, when I bought it, it was like that. I broke it even more when I had taken it out. And my armrest, black. So everything's black inside. Though my interiors, everything's black, and outside will be, I think, I'm gonna go same color. I'll go, fuck it, yeah, I'll just go same color, white. I gotta get different wet fenders, bumper. I still gotta get new hood for these. And for the Delta, my plans in the future, hopefully, I'm gonna do front end conversion to EG. So this front end will be here, hopefully. So people did it somehow in YouTube. They cut it from here somewhere, 5" down. He said cut it 5" from here, somewhere around here, and weld it and bolt them in, and that's pretty much it, I guess. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for another video. Subscribe, like, whatever. Thanks. Bye.